Hey there. If you're seeing this message on Roblox, error starting experience. An error occurred trying to launch the experience. Please try again later. Don't worry. I'm going to help you fix it step by step. This error usually shows up when Roblox can't load the game you're trying to join. Here's what you can do. First, completely close Roblox. If you're on a browser, close all tabs. If you're using the Roblox app, exit the app completely. Now, restart your internet. Turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. A weak or unstable connection can block Roblox from loading experiences. Next, make sure Roblox is fully updated. If you're on a mobile device or tablet, go to the App Store and check for updates. If you're on a computer, uninstall Roblox, then reinstall the latest version from the official website. Also, try a different experience. Sometimes the problem is not with your device. It's with that specific game. Try loading another game to check if it works. Another tip, log out of your Roblox account and then log back in. This refreshes your session and can clear up loading issues. Still having trouble? Clear your browser's cache if you're playing on Chrome, Edge, or any other browser. You'll find this in the settings under Privacy or Clear Browsing Data. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off. Roblox sometimes blocks connections from VPNs. Finally, check the Roblox server status. Go to status.roblox.com to see if their servers are having issues. If the servers are down, you'll just need to wait until they're back up. And that's it. Try each of these steps one by one, and you should be able to get back into your game without the error. Thanks for listening. If this helped you out, stay tuned for more tips.